yung mga ano natin, yung mga leaders natin dito sa Pilipinas,
Hmm,
'pag nagkasakit sila bro, umaalis sa bansa para magpagamot.
mm.
Kasi hindi naman nila nararanasan ano yung simpleng mamamayan na na-o-ospital.
Kaya wala rin silang passion na ayusin itong healthcare
Tama,
system natin because
tama.
it's so easy for them, right? To fly to other countries. Naka-ano pa yan, naka-private jet pa yung iba dyan na lumilipad, di ba?
Exactly, exactly.
And the
Kaya
worst part is taxpayers' money.
exactly bro. Kaya yun yung isang parang painful realization siguro bro as a Filipino, na dapat yung mga leaders natin, they are the one experiencing din yung mga service ng government.
Yeah.
Kasi they are not a recipient kasi.
Mm.
Kasi tayo, 'di ba? In our case, buti na lang we are capable, no? Paano na lang yung mga hindi?
Oo.
Mamamatay na lang sila bro, na may hinihintay na lang yung sakit na yun.
Actually, na-realize ko nga, for example, uh, dito kasi sa area na to, hindi
Hmm,
talaga flooded.
okey.
So, I don't even know kung other areas are flooded. And at some point actually, doon ko na nung nag-self-reflect ako, parang napaka-indifferent ko na ba na hindi ko magalalaman ko na lang grabe na palang flood sa ibang lugar tapos may mga
Mm,
o mga lindol, mamamatay na lang tapos parang bakit ako parang wala akong pakialam na because
mm,
hindi ko napapansin, hindi ako masyadong affected kasi. But
mm.
these people, when I listen to their stories, these are napakasimpleng tao talaga, naghahanap buhay lang,
Oo,
just trying to get by, and then tatamaan ng yung mga in-establish nila na whether bahay yun or
mm,
pananim or kabuhayan nila, all of a sudden, wipe up lang ng
mm.
flood. And okay lang kung nature, medyo matatanggap pa natin yun eh. Pero malalaman mo, billions and billions pala yung budget for that na hindi napunta doon. Parang nakaka
Anong pakiramdam bro?
nakakapanlumo bro, na parang ganito ba tayo ka-indifferent sa ating kapwa Pilipino na parang
Oo,
we couldn't even think of what's good for them or kahit man lang kung ano yung makakatulong sa kanila. So parang,
hmm,
I wonder, klaseng, what kind of people do we have? So yung parang una. But the other option is, the other thinking that I got is, it's because there's a lot of good Filipinos, visionaries, very good skill, for example. They can build organization, leaders, but they don't want to get into politics.
tama.
Why? Because it's too
Dirty.
dirty. And that's exactly why the corrupt ones are the one reigning in our government.
Oo,
So, sabi ko, this is the reason why. Because yun nga, ta, people like me na hindi affected or can afford will just say, for example, when I heard about the taxes, instant ako, okay, yes, I pay a good amount of taxes, but you know what? I can always make it somewhere else. Yung mindset ko because I wanna distract, di
mm,
ba? Myself, but then, hey, teka, I realized, but what about for other people?
mm,
So sabi ko, ganito na lang ba talaga? Tatanggapin na lang ba natin to na this is how it is? But at the same time, I have to think as well because something that's very important for me is my faith.
mm,
Gaya ng sinabi mo bro, we had this situation during COVID
mm,
na nung pinanganak kasi yung panganay namin,
hmm.
as in the middle, 2020,
Okey.
in the middle of the pandemic, July, nag-lockdown ng March, July siya
Oh!
pinanganak.
Hmm,
So first few days, lumabas. Paglabas, 24 hours lang, balik kami sa ospital.
kasi?
Because kinonvulsion, ang taas ng temperature, ano.
Ah,
Tapos naka-isolate kami doon for 5 days mami. Oh,
hmm,
ang tagal namin naka-isolate. As in, isolation room.
mm,
Tapos yun nga, gaya na sinasabi mo, lahat bayad. From
hmm.
PPE, siyempre
Oo,
itong mga time na to, grabe.
oo,
So, sabi ko, doon din ako napag-isip-isip na parang, if I would die,
oo.
anong maiiwan ko sa family,